Welcome, Graftastic family. We are in the Drury Plaza Hotel in Disney Springs.
Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you.
I have played Walkaround.
We got a big pull-out couch for the kids up here. Hold on a second. View so you can see better. Big pull-out couch up here. Cooling for like a mini fridge type thing. We got sinks, coffees, TV out here for them. Then you have the hallway here. Love this, that there's a sink outside and a sink in the bathroom, which is very nice because if somebody's in here going to the bathroom or it's hot, you can brush your teeth outside. Giant walk-in shower with all your soaps. Toilet. Boom. Come back out the hallway. Got another sink. Then you have the bedroom in the back. Lots of mirrors here. Big closet. Go ahead and open this up. You got your safe. You got your ironing board. Sheets for the pull-out couch. Got a king bed. And we are on the top floor. More mirrors. So we're on the 15th floor. Desk. TV. Dresser, bed again, and on the 15th floor, we can see quite a bit. We got all the other hotels on the hotel strip. You can see, now we'll zoom in. There's Disney Springs right there. There's this, where's my finger? Never mind. We got the Cirque du Soleil building, the hot air balloon ride. You can look down. We got the pool area, hot tub, kids splash pad area. We'll tour those later. And then way out there, that's actually Tower of Terror. If we look over here, that is the Guardians of the Galaxy ride building, and you can see the Epcot ball right above it. And then way over here behind all this stuff is Magic Kingdom back over there, but we can't see the castle. So we'll be able to see all the fireworks going off tonight. Very nice room. Everything's nice and big, bright, nice light. Did you turn down the air?
Yeah.
Nice. So this is the King Suite, one bedroom with a view. And there's the view right there.
Funny.
All right, we'll show you guys the rest of the hotel as well and some of the other things around here. And we're babies. Actually, hold on. Why are we at Disney this week?
Because it's me!
Yep.
For my birthday!
And how old are you guys turning?
6.
Kane.
6.
We're here to celebrate a birthday. Well, 2 birthdays, technically. So we'll check in with you guys later. Lots of fun to do. Lots of things happening this week. That's right. So we'll see you in the next video. 1518.
Where?
Graftastic family, it's Mimi and Papa.
We're here. Hi. Wait, are you in ours?
You want us to stay with you? Can you sleep on the couch?
Yeah.
Huh?
That's where you sleeping then?
You have to go down.
What?
there.
You
Hi.
want to sleep on the couch with Mimi and Papa?
Yeah, we got a couch too.
Yeah, come check out this view.
No, wait, we got the
thing
same
do we
thing.
got?
Oh, you got a whole separate living room. Fancy. You got a
That's where their bed is.
No, this is what we're looking at.
Yeah. So you
We're
got.
on 15. I can't believe it. We're on 15 too, Kat.
I love this
We're on
view.
floor 15.
Are you?
Same.
Best.
Jump on the bed.
Yeah.
See how bouncy it is.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
It's like a trampoline in here.
What's this? Hobby, hobby, hobby. What's this?
So is it a good bed or a bad? All right, now just
Say, Mom.
no, just lay down. Lay down and tell me if it's a good bed or not. Lay down. Is it a good bed?
Yes.
Yeah. our first night here, and they wanted to run through the little splash area. even though they're fully clothed. But you know what? It's birthday time. Why not? Yeah.
You never get to go in there like that, do you?
Does this sound fun though? We'll do this all day on Wednesday.
Oh my gosh, you guys are soaked. You're soaked.
My seat's all wet.
Mine was
Too
too when
late.
I sat down in it. Fine. What'd you find? An arcade room?
Can we play?
Is that your foot?
Can we?
We can get tokens later tonight. It's not even a real game. Oh, they got Injustice.
One of these stuffies for me and one of these candies.
You want a stuffy and a piece of candy. They got old school Pac-Man. They got a basketball game. We got a bowling game. Oh, it's out of service right now. They got a Jurassic Park. Right here, Jurassic Park. And a Halo. Motorcycles. Terminator. Air hockey. Daytona racing. Yeah, I'll come back in here later. And this is why you get a room with a view. You can see the Epcot fireworks going off. See if we can't zoom in a little bit. I'm not sure what's going on over at Tower of Terror. Don't see much. I don't think we can see anything going over at Magic Kingdom right now. But at least we get to see the Epcot ball go off and just a magnificent view of the pool, the kiddie splash area, and all of Disney Springs. Hey, the balloon's up. I don't know if you can hear him on here, but we can definitely hear him. It's pretty awesome. This hotel's been great so far.
Thank you for watching.